What up, y'all? Welcome back to Ills Villain Collects. I'm filming this a couple days after Christmas, so Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody out there. And today we're going to be opening up this hobby box of Marvel Anime Volume 2. Not really sure why I slept on this for so long. This has been out for like a year already. And, well, for one, I'm not really the biggest fan of anime. I know. I'm going to throw popcorn and tomatoes at me. But, yeah, every time I see YouTube videos on this, the art just blows me away every single time. And I finally bit the bullet and decided to get a box. So you already know what it is. Let's get straight to it and open this thing up. Alright, y'all. Super excited to open this up, even though this set is already a little bit over a year old. Pretty sure it came out towards the end of last year, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm hoping I could pull like a sweet auto, even if it's on like a wood block of a dope character. Haven't had the best luck lately with hobby boxes, but hoping for a late Christmas miracle and something will change today. So let's get straight to it. Just a little bit off to the side. First pack. Can't get some first pack magic. Alright, now if I remember correctly, I think the first card is supposed to be the insert, so I don't know if I should put it down and like do this. Alright, Black Widow. That's dope art. I like the little the highlight on her. The backlight, the rim light, that's what it's called. Got Thor, sweet looking card. Thanos, Magneto in his white costume. It's from like Uncanny X-Men, right? The one from like the Michael Bendis run. Oh, whoa, already? First pack magic, let's go. And it's a dope character, it's Storm. Oh, and it's numbered. 40 out of 75. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. That's dope right there. Whew. Oh man. Yeah, that's sick. Let's see. I'm not sure how to pronounce that last name. You've received a trading card autographed by Drake. Yeah, I'm not sure how to say that last name. Alright, let me sleeve this up before we continue. But yeah, first pack magic. Let's go. Alright, so already pulling some straight heat out of this box. Put that right there. Alright, definitely was not expecting that on the first pack. Alright, so let's go with the second pack. Oof. Alright. So got Spider-Man with the base. Beast. Mantis. Ooh. Got a little excited there. Lady Sif. Ant. The, how do you say this? Kodo Momoke? Am I saying that correctly? I have no idea. I'll just call it the Kodo cards. Sweet. Alright, so that's one of the inserts. I think you get like 4 of these in every hobby box. Like 4 different inserts, whether it's this one or like the Wolverine one. Or the power level up one. Third pack. Alright, got Groot. Ghost Spider. Yeah, this one's sick. Every time I see this one on YouTube, I think how dope this card looks. And it looks like way more dope in person. Got Null. The Collector. The Kaiju Battles. Sasquatch. So this is number 16. Put that one right there. Next pack. Oh, I think this is the capsule card because it feels kind of thick. Yeah. Alright, so Moon Knight with the base. Street level. Should we open this already? Not too sure. I'll save this for a little bit, but I think street level is like one of the more common ones that you could get, as opposed to like the what are the other ones you get. I think it says it here on the pack. Oh yeah, cosmic level. All right, next pack. The fact that I pulled signature on the first card, I feel like now everything is going to be like more underwhelming. But I think we can still get a wood block though. So let's see. All right, so this is the little stat card. Got Wasp, Hulkling, Brother Voodoo, and then Rocket. And also special shout out to Odie Collects, because watching his videos is what really put me over the edge to get one of these boxes, even though I had seen countless videos on YouTube by other YouTubers. But I don't know, he just seemed like super excited with every pack he was opening, so it just got me more hyped about it. Tigra. The last card looks like the Electra. What is it? The Japanese moon. That was Hellcat, Quasar, U.S. Agent. All right, next pack. Definitely not thick enough to have a wood one in here. All right, Lockjaw, Hercules, Cyclops, Stingray, and Howard the Duck. All right, so we got 2 of those. I think you get 4 of these, I think. And I think you're guaranteed a signature in each hobby box, so I'm hoping that we could still pull like something really dope. I think we have one of the stat cards here, yeah. Jessica Jones. That art looks cool. I like how that one looks. Vision, She-Hulk, and Blade. All right, here we go. Next pack. All right, Mystique, Dormammu, got Luke Cage, got Falcon, and then Thor. Is this the gold foil one? Yeah, this is the Mega Moon of Thor in gold. I think that's how it goes. 88. Put that one right there. All right, next pack. Come on, something dope. All right. Nova. That Wolverine art is sick. Red Skull, Jean Grey. Oh, if I get a wood block of this one, that'd be dope. Okay, power level of Vulture. Nice. Everybody likes Spider-Man villains. Level 5000, Wing Slash. It's a cool card. All right, next pack right here. Card down, not looking. Right. Sabretooth. Yeah, that's dope art. This Colossus is so awesome too. Oh, look at all these X-Men characters. Professor X, Ronin, And then the Wolverine's Journey, Wolverine 1982, number 2. I think that's all for the inserts, right? Yeah, I got 4 here already. All right, down to 3 packs left, I believe. Magic, love me some Magic. I think she's hella been working out her abs. Photon. That Iron Man art's pretty sick also. What I like about these cards also is that it has like the actual artist name on the back. Gamora. And this is the last Mega Moon. Because I think you get 4. You get 2, I think. This one's of Elektra. I wonder if they're short printed because the Thor one is number 88. 21. I'd have to look that up. Oh, my bad. Still have, what, this is, all right, we got 4 more counting this one. Black Panther. White Tiger. Loki. Ant-Man. Oh, then another one of these. Nice. I'm not sure how many of these you get in a hobby box. But this one's cool. Mockingbird. Cloak. Drax. Bullseye. Oh, another one. And then Dagger. Oh, this is just the foil? Yeah. So yeah, I'm not sure how many of these you get. Because I have 2 of them already. And then 2 of the Mega Moons. Hoping for like a sketch card or... I'm not sure if I could get another signature since I already got one. Oh, this one's sick. Cosmic Ghost Rider. I'm not sure if I've seen this one before. I probably have, I just don't really remember. Kitty Pryde. Yeah, this art's tight. I like this one a lot. Gore the God Butcher. They butchered him in Thor Love and Thunder or whatever it was called. That's a shame. Nebula. Oops. And then Wonder Man. Okay, so I guess you get 4 of these little foil ones. Last pack. Yeah, I don't think I got a wood card. Doesn't feel like it. Alright, Pepper Potts. Spider-Woman. I like this one because it's cool because you can see her Venom Blast. Juggernaut. Crystal. I think she's from the Inhumans. Oh, sweet. This is a cool one because it's got, what, Venom and Miles. Alright, so that was it for the, I have 2 of these boxes. Oh, my bad. Totally forgot about this. Let's see what's the easiest way to open this thing up. I'm not the biggest fan of these little capsule cards. Mostly because of the size. Alright, so Ant-Man and the Wasp street level team. Oh, my bad. Did you know when Ant-Man, the Wasp, and their ant army help Iron Man and Thor find Hulk, the Wasp suggested that they all team up under the name The Avengers. Alright, so that's everything. Let me gather everything really quick and then we'll do a quick recap. Alright, so back with a quick recap. I got 61 the base cards, and then the 4 inserts. It's the Wolverine's Journey. I think you get one of each. The Power Level Up, the Kodo Momuke, is how you say it? I'm not too sure. And the Kaiju Battle. And then the stacks cards. I got one of like the very back piece, and then 3 of the acrylic ones. Then I got 4 of the foils. 3 and 4, and then 2 of the Mega Moons, Thor and Elektra. Those are really cool looking. And then the capsule card was the street level team, Ant-Man and the Wasp. Pretty cool. And then first pack magic was this Storm signed. 40 out of 75. Not too bad. And I love the X-Men, so it's cool that it was a dope character. Like, who doesn't like Storm? Yeah, I mean, I wish I could have still gotten like a wood block, but can't really be mad at this. I'm not sure how rare this is out of 75, but just the fact that it's Storm, like, I'm super excited about it. There was like a little like nick right there on the top that you can see there, but it's not like I'm going to sell this, so it doesn't really bug me too much. But yeah, that wraps up my first hobby box. I bought 2 of these, so I'll probably film the other one maybe like in a couple days. But either way, if you made it this far, much appreciated. Like, comment, and subscribe, and catch you on the next one. Later.